Hey guys, thanks for coming to my channel. I'm your Everyday Joe. Today we'll be adding to our healthy alternative series. We'll be making a guilt-free peanut butter smoothie using this PBfit powder with a twist, so stay tuned. Okay, welcome back. We're going to be using this PBfit, this organic PBfit peanut butter powder to make our next smoothie. This smoothie is a guilt-free peanut butter smoothie with a twist, and I'll show you what the twist is as we go along. We're also going to be using this silk cashew milk, about a half cup worth, some organic ground Saigon cinnamon that we're going to use here, about a half teaspoon. I've got some frothed up milk that I use that I'm going to be using for the top garnish. I use my Aero Latte frother. I use this every morning for my coffee. To froth up the milk. Gives it a nice froth. You can see it sticks pretty good. Also a piece of baking chocolate, dark baking chocolate. I'm going to garnish the top with that. And our twist here, our twist is the mint chocolate liqueur. Just going to put a little, maybe about a tablespoon worth in it, just to give it the chocolate flavor. So let's get started here. I've already got about half a dozen ice cubes in my trusty Ninja blender. I'm going to put about a scoop of this powder. Get that in there. And this powder is pretty low calorie. It's only about 50 calories for 2 tablespoons. So that was about 50 calories. And everything else here is pretty low calorie. You have your silk milk that's got only about 25 calories per cup. So half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay, throw in milk. Again, about a half cup. You can add more depending on the consistency as we go. But we're also going to be adding a little bit of liquid here for the mint chocolate. Okay, just about 2 tablespoons is plenty for this serving size. The frothed milk we're going to be using as a top garnish, so we're not going to be using that here. That's going to be at the top of it to give it a nice body. So I'm going to pulse it up a little bit. Okay, and then we're going to blend it. We're going to keep blending for maybe about 30 seconds, 45 seconds. We'll see on the consistency as we go. Okay, we just finished that up. Grab a fresh glass. And we're gonna just pour it right out into it. Okay, you can see it's nice and frozen. Okay, now and again, this frother, it's fantastic. It just froths everything up. You can see how thick that is, and that's just regular milk. Actually, it's a powdered milk that I'm using here. It froths up really nice. So we're going to add the froth to the top. Just a couple of spoonfuls here. And we're going to grate some of this cooking chocolate, unsweetened chocolate, to the top, just for some garnish. Okay, get that in there. Okay, you can see, nice and thick, pretty nice looking, and it's going to be delicious. Oh, that's good. It almost tastes like a peanut butter cup, a frozen peanut butter cup. You can add extra sweetener if you like. I think this works fine. Maybe I add a little bit of sugar, maybe a quarter teaspoon of sugar just to sweeten it up a little bit. But overall, it tastes really good. Nice consistency of it. So if you like this video and you want to see more of these, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the bell on the side here underneath next to the subscribe button. That'll give you notifications when I add more videos. Also, add some comments, give me some thumbs up. Now, again, share it. And check out the links in the description. And we appreciate all your support, and we'll see you in the next video.